Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy, Richmond, and all West Houston areas since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. Updated 2-bedroom home with study that could be used as a 3rd bedroom. Split floor plan, large master suite. Master bathroom has separate shower and tub, double sinks. Large living area with gas fireplace. Open kitchen. Refrigerator, washer and dryer are included. Schedule an appointment today.